Imagine driving a premium SUV at night, surrounded by beautiful ambient lighting, while knowing you can travel up to 200 kilometers on electric power alone. That is the unusual promise of the 2026 Lynk Co. 8. It looks futuristic, feels expensive, and underneath the stylish design is one of the biggest plug-in hybrid batteries in its class. But is this really a serious alternative to established premium SUVs? Welcome back to Future Drive. Today, we're taking the Lynk Co. 8 on an evening POV drive, focusing on its design, cabin technology, ambient lighting, performance, efficiency, comfort, and the details that matter when you're actually living with this SUV. From the outside, the Lynk Co. 8 immediately stands apart. It is a large, sleek SUV measuring around 4.82 meters long, with a wide stance and a very aerodynamic profile. The design is clean rather than overloaded with aggressive styling. Up front, you get slim lighting elements and a modern grille treatment, while the Matrix LED headlights give the 08 a distinctive nighttime signature. Move around the side, and the frameless windows, sculpted bodywork, flush-style door handles, and sloping roofline give it a much more premium appearance than you might expect from a relatively young brand. And this is where an evening drive really suits the 08, once the sun goes down. The exterior lighting and reflections make the SUV look especially futuristic. Inside, the story gets even more interesting. The cabin has a minimalist, technology-focused design, with a large central display, a digital driver interface, premium materials, and a strong emphasis on comfort. Depending on specification, the 08 can also offer features such as massage seats, a panoramic roof, a premium Harman Kardon sound system, and extensive connectivity. But the feature that really changes the atmosphere at night is the ambient lighting. The lighting runs through different areas of the cabin, creating a soft glow rather than simply throwing bright light everywhere. During an evening POV drive, this makes the interior feel calm, modern, and surprisingly upscale. And that's important because the 08 isn't trying to be a sports SUV first. It is designed more as a comfortable long-distance cruiser. The seating position is relaxed, visibility is good for such a large vehicle, and rear seat space is generous. Cargo capacity is around 540 liters, with the seats in place, increasing to more than 1,250 liters with the rear seats folded. Now let's talk about the most important part of this vehicle, the powertrain. European versions of the Lynk Co. 8 use a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline engine combined with a powerful electric motor. Total system output is around 257 kilowatts, or roughly 345 horsepower, with power sent to the front wheels through a 3-speed hybrid transmission. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes approximately 6.8 seconds, while top speed is rated at 185 kilometers per hour for a vehicle weighing more than 2 tons. That's impressive. But on an evening city drive, outright acceleration isn't really the headline. What you notice is the smooth electric response. Pull away from a stop and the 08 can feel almost like a full EV. The electric motor delivers instant torque, while the gasoline engine stays relatively quiet when it joins the action. The suspension is tuned more toward comfort than aggressive cornering. That makes sense for the character of this SUV. On city streets, highways, and longer journeys, the 08 feels designed to reduce stress rather than encourage you to attack every corner. And then there's the battery. The European Lynk Co. 8 uses a large 39.6 kWh battery, giving it a claimed electric range of up to 200 kilometers under WLTP testing. It can charge at up to 11 kilowatts on AC, and up to safety package includes features such as autonomous emergency braking, lane support, speed assistance, driver monitoring, adaptive driver assistance, and a 360-degree camera, depending on specification, for reliability and maintenance. The biggest question isn't necessarily the basic engine technology, it's long-term ownership support. Lynk Co. is still a much newer name than Toyota, BMW, Volvo, or Mercedes-Benz in many markets. That means buyers should investigate local dealer coverage, parts availability, warranty terms, and service costs before purchasing. The technology is impressive, but long-term ownership confidence comes from a strong support network. So how does the Lynk Co. 8 compare? Against a Volvo XC60 Recharge, the 08 offers a huge electric range and an impressive technology package, often with a more futuristic cabin. Volvo, however, has a much longer established premium reputation. Against the BMW X3 plug-in hybrid, the Lynk Co focuses more on comfort and electric range. While BMW remains the stronger choice for traditional driving dynamics and brand recognition. And against the Mercedes-Benz GLC plug-in hybrid, the 08 delivers a very different approach, maximum technology and a huge PHEV battery rather than traditional luxury branding. The biggest pros are easy to identify. Excellent electric range for a plug-in hybrid, strong performance, stylish design, impressive nighttime lighting, a high-tech interior, generous space, fast DC charging for a PHEV, and excellent Euro NCAP safety results. The downsides: it's heavy. European versions are front-wheel drive. The brand doesn't yet have the same reputation as established premium manufacturers, and the ownership experience can depend heavily on local service support. So, would I consider the Lynk Co 08 if you want a premium-looking SUV, regularly charge at home, and want the flexibility of electric driving without giving up a gasoline engine for long trips? The 08 makes a very strong case. Its biggest strength isn't simply the futuristic design or the beautiful ambient lighting. It's the combination of EV-like daily usability with long-distance flexibility. And that's what makes the 2026 Lynk Co 08 so interesting. It doesn't try to copy a BMW, Mercedes, or Volvo. Instead, it takes the plug-in hybrid formula and pushes the electric side much further. For USA viewers, there's also an important point. This European market specification should not be assumed to be the same as a US market vehicle. Availability, specifications, pricing, and certification can differ by country. If Lynk Co can deliver this level of technology while building stronger long-term support and availability, the 08 could become one of the most interesting premium PHEV SUVs to watch. Now tell me what you think. Would you choose the Lynk Co 08 over a Volvo XC60, BMW X3, or Mercedes GLC? If you enjoyed this evening POV test drive, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Future Drive, and turn on notifications for more new and future cars. This has been Future Drive, your source for tomorrow's cars today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.